Hello. The next step that we're going to talk about learning here on the website is managing the menus on the site. So that is, the menu up top here, the side menu. There's a couple things down here in the footer menu, and then there are also, little mini menus on each of these pages here. So this is the part where there can be multiple steps to adding one page to the menu and then also making sure that it looks good on multiple views. I'm going to go ahead and show this to you so you can manage it if you would like. But again, if there is a page that needs to go live and be in the menu for a certain event or a certain timeline, you may just want to make sure you're planning ahead on that so that we can assist you if you need it. In any case, we're going to go ahead and use this terrible landing page that was made in the previous video. So if we go ahead and we look at that again, here's those 3 columns and the garbage text that I threw on here. So to manage these, we go to Appearance and Menus right here. And this might be set to anyone. It's going to be whatever menu you were editing last is where it's going to be set. So we can see here that this is showing us the primary menu, which is just these 4 items across the top. If you wanted to add it to that particular menu, you would just say, you would click right next to that. You'd say Add to Menu. There it is, and we can control where it appears in that menu. We'd hit Save. We come up front here. We hit refresh, and there's our landing page has been added to the menu. Let's go ahead and undo that. We can do that very simply. We just open up that little accordion right here on the right-hand side. We hit remove. We hit save again. And just like that, the page is gone from the menu. It's very similar to that if we wanted to add it to the to what we call the top bar menu. So it doesn't immediately change anything right here. You'll notice I can move these all over the place and nothing changes. So we have to pick the one we want, and then we have to hit select here, wait for it to update, and now we can see that menu here. So if we wanted to add it to that one, we can hit landing page, can move this here, hit save menu, again, refresh, and ta-da, there it is. It's been added to that top bar menu. Let's go ahead and remove that again. And it's gone. Adding it to the side menu over here, that is going to be selecting what we call the toggle menu or the off canvas menu. Again, we switch it. Then we click the select button, and then we're going to see everything that's in that menu. So if we want the landing page to show up in here, we can hit Add to Menu after checking it. It's always going to get added to the very bottom of the list. And then we can drag it up here if we want it under Software Features or under Industries or wherever it might need to go. We'll hit Save Menu. We'll refresh this again. Click the button, and there is our landing page right there. It's been added to this off-canvas menu. Now, when you're adding to this menu, it gets a little more complicated because there's a 2-step process. If you recall, these pages have submenus on them here, right? But if we go back to that landing page, that menu has not been added here. So this is one of those things that you may want assistance with, but here we go. Here's how that's managed. We come over here. We select, let's see, that is part of the Industries menu. So then we come here, we select Industries, we hit select. There's Power and Communication. We add that. We hit save. If we come here and we hit Power, you can see it's been added to that page now. But if we go to the landing page, it's not there. So now we have to go back to the page itself. Landing page, sorry, there we go. There's no navigation item here, so we're going to come back here now that we're on the page we want. We're going to come back to our templates, and we're going to hit this sub-nav template. And again, just like all the other instances, it puts it down here at the very bottom of the page. We're going to grab it. We're going to drag it up here where we want, underneath this top banner image. We're going to come here and edit it. And we don't want the targeted menu. We want the industries menu. We'll hit Save Changes. We'll hit Update. When we come over here and refresh, we can now see that our landing page has the menu on it. It automatically adds the highlight state, and now we can go back and forth from the page itself, or we can come over here and we can use the off-canvas flyout menu to get around either one. So those are the, if we're going to be adding to one of these sections, that's how that is managed. You're going to have to add it to two different menus there. I think that is going to do it for menus right now.